friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing what I picked up from the Wallace September launch. So I have two bags in here that I'm going to be sharing with you today. One is a brand new style to me that I have never had, and I am excited to pack it up because I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it, if I'm being completely honest. It's one of those that I'm like up in the air with, but I thought the print was so cute and I had to try it. And another one is a style that we all know and love. It's one of my favorite ones that I had to pick up in one of these new fall colors. So let's get into it. The first bag that I grabbed is this Crosby Pippa, and this is one that I'm not sure that I'm going to love as far as the way that it packs up. Those of you that like the Pippa, I would love to know in the comments below, like if there's a certain way that you pack it, if you enjoy using a crossbody strap or a shoulder strap. I'm excited to try it out. I had to grab it because this tweed print is one of the best tweeds I've ever seen, especially from Wallace. I'm normally not drawn to this type of fabric or pattern, but it was just something about this one that I'm like, this could be really, really cute for fall with like anything solid color, even this like bright green shirt that definitely doesn't scream fall. Like this looks really cute with. And I'm just I'm curious on the style. I wanna zoom in and show you all of the colors of this one up close. How pretty is this one? Do you see all of the different colors that are in there? They're like bright, fun colors, yet you have some of the darker, like richer fall colors in there as well. And the fabric is like super soft. I really like it. I also like that they chose this like gold hardware with the bag. It's super pretty. So with all of my like first impressions or unboxing videos, I would love to know down below which ones you want to see me pack up in more detail and do like a dedicated review on. I think this one is probably definitely gonna be one that I do that on because I'm curious myself to see the way that it packs up. So if you want to see it in more detail, let me know. But as far as well, let's go ahead and just get into the inside of the bag and then we'll talk about the different straps that come with it. You have one zipper that goes across the top of the bag, and there is a snap on the side of it, like right here, that you can actually unsnap, and it makes the tail of the bag just a little bit longer so that you can unzip it even more and open it up like really, really wide. So I feel like when it's on the body, you're gonna be able to get what you need out of here like pretty easily. So as far as the compartments, it looks like you have one bigger compartment here with two inside pockets. Then you have a little open compartment that doesn't have any snap or anything like that. Then you have a main middle compartment that's like the biggest one I feel like, and there is a snap closure on that one. Opens up nice and wide. Then you have one more small pocket that's just like this one. And then you have a back large pocket that has the Wallace zipper pocket inside. So tons of organization in this one. It's crazy. So my main concern with this one is how it's going to pack. And I feel like it is gonna hold a lot of stuff, but it's going to do this number and kind of bulk up as you wear it. And I'm just not sure that I'm gonna love that on the body as far as a crossbody. Obviously, if you don't overstuff this and really kind of keep it minimal and cute, you're not gonna have that problem. That's literally my one and only concern, I think, with this one. But after putting on one of the 3 straps that come with this bag, I'll show you them in a second, I think this one I'm actually gonna really enjoy carrying over my shoulder. Like, how cute does that look on the shoulder? I really thought that this was gonna be more of a crossbody bag for me, and I don't wanna say that it's not going to be, but this is just so cute on like the shoulder like that. Like it's a nice drop length, it's cute with the strap. I feel like you could throw on like a nice chunky sweater and some boots and maybe like a little bit dressier jeans, and you could kind of dress this up or dress it down. Little black dress, any color of anything would pull these out. So I don't know, I'm excited to use this one. The sides here have like this little gold hardware piece that you attach the straps to. So you have this chain strap, which I think is my personal favorite for this bag especially. I mean, I love the chain straps on MZ Wallace bags anyways, but you have this chain strap, then you have this adjustable leather strap, and these for some reason I use the least out of any MZ Wallace bag that comes with multiple straps. I don't know what it is, I just never loved this leather one, but maybe with this bag I might like it a little bit more. Let's like try it on here and see. Now it's on like one of the smaller settings already, but it's definitely cute. You could throw it like over your shoulder. That's cute. I don't know. I keep talking myself in and out of it. I don't know. I would probably make this just a tad longer, but crossbody, it looks kind of cute with this one. The third and final strap that this one comes with, let me show you that one real quick as well, is one that I probably wouldn't pick for this bag because this one just gives a little bit like dressier of a vibe to me, but if you wanted to dress it down, I guess you could. I don't see why not. This one is a webbed, like a thicker webbed strap, and it goes shorter, which is what it's on right now. Just kind of throw over your shoulder, just like the other ones. And then you could adjust it a little bit bigger and wear it crossbody. So yeah, I don't know. You could easily dress this one up, I guess, or dress it down. I will let you all know after I pack it up what my final opinions of it are. All right, the next bag that I grabbed from the September releases is this medium Metro tote in the walnut color. And you guys know my love for the Metro collection. I almost grabbed it in the small satin deluxe because I feel like that would be really pretty in this walnut, and I still might. I don't know. They come out with releases every month, and I feel like we're early on in fall, and I don't know what they have up their sleeve for the next couple of months, so maybe I will grab like a new small satin color in that. But I just recently got the Dahlia print, and I'm in love with that one. Like, not the print, the color. I think I showed you guys a little bit, but I need to do a dedicated packing video on that one, but I feel like that's like my fall color. So that's why I didn't get it in the walnut, but I knew I wanted something in this color. The other day I actually was traveling just for the weekend, like one quick overnight up north to Gainesville. We're big Florida Gator fans and we were going to one of the Gator games, and I'm like, you know what, I should grab like one of my MZ Wallace Metro bags. I ended up taking my large box tote. That's for like a whole nother video. But I'm like, the only medium Metro tote I have is the bright neon pink one. Love that one, but that doesn't scream fall to me. So I'm like, maybe I need a fall one, and here we are with the walnut color. It's so pretty. I feel like it's like looking a little dark in the camera because I have a little bit of lighting here, but like not much, more like natural light. But the color is just so rich and pretty. It's definitely like a true dark brown. I love it. I think it's so pretty for fall. I'm gonna use the heck out of it. Just like a super quick run through on the medium Metro tote. I've done a number of videos on this. Again, if you want like an updated one, let me know. But the back here, you do have a zipper down here and a back pocket that you can use as a luggage sleeve. In the front, you have the MZ Wallace logo. You have one little, let me see how I can show it best by holding it. One little pocket here, another little pocket here, and then this deluxe version actually gives you two more exterior pockets, both of them really nice size for you to organize. You have one here on the bag, one here, and then you have the big open compartment. This bag here also comes with a crossbody strap, so if you're traveling with it and you need to be hands-free, you can easily put the strap right here on the hook and carry it crossbody as well. So love this bag, love this color. Also wanted to mention before I kind of sign off for today's video, don't sleep on this style that I'm going to show you real fast. I feel like I only touched on it and gave it a little bit of attention in one of the unboxings that I did. I think it maybe was August or so when I unboxed all of the magnet stuff. And I just recorded a video, like a packing video, in-depth review on this one that hopefully I'll get up maybe early next week or later in the, like later on this week. But it is the Metro shoulder bag. I love this bag. I've been using it a lot lately, and I feel like I'm like holding out on you guys because I haven't talked about it as much as I do some of the other bags and styles, but this one is so good. I feel like it's a really good, like in the middle everyday bag. You don't have to pack it full for it to still have like a cute kind of hobo shape to it. And it's really good for those that are like in between, like maybe need to carry some stuff for kids, but also want a cute bag that you could use out without kids. In here right now, I have so much, like it would be, I mean, I have 2 planners because I'm in the middle of moving into one. I have a big thick book. I have my huge 8.5 by 11 calendar. I have tons in here and it just holds it all really nicely and it hangs on my shoulder well. I can get everything that I need in and out of it. It doesn't slip off of my shoulder or any, I can't say enough about it. And it's also one of those that can be casual if need be, or you could like dress it up. So I have it here obviously in the magnet color, and I think the magnet sold out last I looked, but you can get it in black or in the dawn, like the navy blue color. I think black would be really pretty for like fall and winter. So I wanted to touch on that before I got this review up, but it's coming. I already have it recorded. I just have to edit it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for those of you that might be interested in these new prints for September from MZ Wallace. As always, I will have my affiliate link pinned in the comments and also in the description box should you want to shop MZ Wallace. I really appreciate it anytime you think of me and click my link before shopping at MZ Wallace. It really helps support my channel. But if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to chat bags, as you guys know. But until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.